Why do you should start YouTube now? Hey guys, my name is the POV Photo Guy. I'm Daniel from Hungary, so please excuse me for my crazy English, but it is as it is. I try to improve each day or each week. So I'm starting my English YouTube journey today. I have another channel what is a Hungarian, my native language, but my country is very small and the photo videography niche is very small also, so I don't think I have a chance to grow over 5, 10, 20 or over 100,000 followers in any time. So relatively I have a small experience because I started my Hungarian YouTube channel 1 year ago when COVID happened. But why did I start it, or why do you should start YouTube now? I was kind of a pretty successful photo and videographer. I traveled a lot, I worked for hotels and restaurants, I worked in the fashion industry. So it was a decent job and decent money I earned in the past years. But as you know, COVID happened and the boards are closed, the hotels, the restaurant, everything is closed, and even I have like 3 or 4 different income stream or different income source from different jobs. It's everything gone. And I also have a lot of knowledge I want to share and give back because I learned so much from YouTube over the past years. So last year in March I decided to start my YouTube channel. What was around 500 subscribers, but I was videos like how to trim your beard and travel videos and my old commercial videos because I was a model also. And in March I started YouTube series and uploaded 1 video per week. So over half year I reached 1,000 followers and 4,000 watch hour what is needed for YouTube monetization. And right now I'm around like 2,500 followers, what is relatively big. Okay, not so big, but it's okay in Hungary, but it's really small compared to in English worldwide. I saw a pretty successful YouTubers who started 1 year ago and they have a success, and it was always in my mind, should I make it in English because I have a lot of followers on my Instagram, because I have 5 different Instagram accounts, from the POV photos, from food photography, wedding photography. So it was a big question for me, and I really want to experiment. If I start now, what will be happen after 1 year with this English channel? Is it pass through and get more followers, views on this English channel or not? So this is the question. I try to upload as many stuff as possible. There will be a lot of POV photo stuff because I saw you love my POV videos when I'm on the street. So kind of dedicated for street photography, but I want to teach everything, how to color grade or how to use Lightroom and how to light your setup and everything. So feel free to comment and reach me out any platform and ask anything, and I want to help you to grow as a photo and videographer. So yes, I think that's it. If you like this video, comment, like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.